Let's look at simplifying square root of 363 using perfect squares. So I'm going to start off by looking for 363 over here. And I see that it would be between here and here, right? It's a number between 19 and 20, the square root is, but it's not on the chart. That means this is not a perfect square. It means my answer is going to have a number and then a square root and then another number under the square root. So I'm going to back up some and look for a number that will divide by 363. And let's think about something for a moment. If I were to divide 363 divided by 2, I get 181.5. That tells me that the closest number that will divide into 363 is, should be in the 180s or so. So I don't have to sit there and go 363 divided by 324 or 289 or all of these. I can kind of start at least here and then go up from there. I want the biggest number that will divide by 363. So let's see, 363 divided by 169. Nope. So I'll go to 144. And if I get a decimal, then it's not a perfect square. And 363 that divides into it. So 144 didn't work, 121. There we go. Okay. So let's split 363, the square root of that, into the square root of 121 times the square root of 3. Because we have just seen that 121 times 3 gives us 363. All right. Well, 121 is the perfect square of 11. So the square root of 121 is 11. And then I can go to the other side over here and just double check. I want to see if I see 4 on here. I mean, not 4, but 3, square root of 3, right? And I don't see it. 3 would be somewhere in between 1 and 2 squared. And so it's not there. And so that means that the square root of 3 stays the same. So there's my number in front, and there's my radical that stays a radical. So the square root of 363 is simplified to 11 times the square root of 3. All right. Hope that helps. Keep watching to see more ideas for how to do these.